I'm an extremely lucky guy. Last night I went out in this car and I started just romping on it, right? Just hauling ass everywhere, blah, blah, blah. Came in here, dropped it off with all my belongings, you know, got in it, and usually I'm bragging about, like, this car is resilient, blah, blah, blah. And it is. This car is an amazing car. I'm an idiot, though. You gotta check your nuts and bolts, especially power cables. So I get in it to start it, and first of all, this thing's fine. I'm just gonna unconnect it now so we don't all die here. So I get in it, you know, I go to start it, there's no power at all. And I'm like, fuck, what did I do? Did I leave the key on? Did I do something? I never do that. Like, I never do that. So, go back there, the battery's perfect. So I'm like, what the fuck? So I just pop the hood. I'm like, well, the battery's gotta be dead. The battery's gotta be dead. So I pop the hood, and this is the main power cable coming from the battery. Lost the net. Like, it's fucking crazy, dude. That is fucking crazy. Alright, so today what we're gonna do is put dry ice all up in this interior, get that shit out of there, and then we're gonna cut open one of these intakes. Is this the one? Should we cut this one?
I think so. Like, I'd rather keep my stock one nice, if anything, but...
Okay. Alright, so this is gonna be the first cut. All around here. All around here. Here. Yeah. Is it cold?
And it is, but I'm worried.
Is that cold? We're almost done. All right, first set of cuts. Booty boom, booty boom. Alright, I got this bitch cut out pretty much. Just gotta cut a few things more. Mario's got most of this shit out.
There's like a couple tough spots, like just right in the front, but all the fucking back shit came off. Super easy.
Yeah. Look at that. What do you think? Shit's bright as fuck. We got this all cut out. He's sanding on that. Get it all matched up. Catch me. You don't have to hold it, dude. I got it. Just gotta get it on this side a little bit. Get those grooves out, get that one deeper, get that one deeper. That's pretty much.
Getting there for sure, dude.
Hell yeah. Alright.
fine looking there. That's good enough.
Oh, we done.
So, oh yeah, you need that edge right there.
Yeah, we need a few edges on
That
that
edge.
side, but on this end,
And then look at that. Put that on there. It's as good as it's gonna get for today, boys. Look at that. Let me see if I can take this. Oh, let's see. Yeah. That's fucking dope, dude.
thank you, man. You did a killer fucking job.
My hands like vibrated apart. Look at all this dust. Woo. Dude,
How about that? Look up in there. Yeah, buddy. Look at that.
all right, boys and girls, we're on our way to Nationwide. We're gonna wear our masks. It's gonna be a good time. Check it out. Hey, do a trick. That's not a trick.
Let's go.
Woo! That was a trick.
always, guys, clean up your trash. Y'all know the rules, regulations. All right? Anyways, other than that, y'all ready to cruise or what? Yeah. Real quick, okay, I don't know if y'all saw, a couple weeks ago, we had one of our brothers in arms pass away. We're going to do a quick 10-second moment of silence for our boy Corey, all right? That's all we ask, all right? All right, so listen up. We're gonna go. There's a lot of people out here tonight, so please, once again, do not cruise under 40. Mind your P's and Q's when you leave here. I want everybody to get home safe tonight.